Yes, sir.
Okay, right now I am unable to tell this answer.
Let me tell.
I will tell you afterwards. Okay,
Let
stop
me
talking now.
tell.
Okay,
I
okay.
have told you now. I will tell you afterwards.
May
Who is this speaking?
Sure.
Kindly don't speak. Just listen to me. Let me continue this, Pratik. I will tell you in the WhatsApp. You message me in the WhatsApp. Okay, Pratik. Did you
Yes, sir.
listen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me explain this. Creating and saving a HTML document. For this, there are very simple steps. First, we have to write the HTML code in any editor. Like we can open Notepad, or we can open Front Page, or we can open Dreamweaver, or we can open WordPad. So any text editor we have to open, and in that text editor, we have to write the HTML code. Like here steps given, we can open Notepad by clicking at all program, accessories and Notepad. So like that we can also open, see my screen. I am clicking on a start button, selecting Notepad. Okay, can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
You
so
can.
I have
Yes,
opened
sir.
Notepad.
Yes, sir.
Now in Notepad
Sir.
you can see a blank screen. In the blank screen,
Yes, sir.
now we will type the tags, HTML tags, to write the HTML code. As yesterday I had told, I can show you the bigger font. Okay, now let me write the HTML tags. Write HTML, that is the main tag I told yesterday. Then write head. Then if you want title, you can write title. Then write something, my first HTML doc. Then if you want to close the title tag. Then close head tag. As yesterday I told, that head tag is closed before body tag. So I'm closing head tag. Then after that we have to open body tag. Write body. Then inside body tag you have to write some text or some contents which you want to display. Okay. So like I'm writing online. Okay, this is the sentence I have written. Then close the body tag. Very simple program I'm writing. Close the body tag. Then close HTML tag. Close HTML tag. It's very simple. Okay. Now the document is created. As told in the presentation, document is created. Okay. Code we have typed and it is created. Now step 3. What is the step 3? We have to save the document. Save the document. How to save? Click on file menu and select save as command. And after that type the name of file. Okay. Then in the file name box, type the name of file .html or htm. As you can see here in the notepad, we have created. Click on file menu, select save or save as command. Then select the location where you want to save. Suppose I want to save on desktop. Then in the file name box, type the name of file like first. Then type .html, extension name .html. Okay, .html. Then click on save button. Okay, your document is saved. Now next step. After that, how to view the HTML document in a browser. Okay, your HTML document is saved. Now we have to open it, view it in the browser. So for that, what we can do, we can use any of the browser. like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Apple Safari, Netscape Navigator, Google Chrome, etc. Many browsers are there, web browsers are there, through which we can open our saved document. The document which just now we saved with the name first.html, that can be opened by using these browsers. So to open these browsers, what to do? We have to follow the steps, very easy steps. Like in Internet Explorer, you want to open your document. So what will you do? Open Internet Explorer by clicking on Start All Program and Internet Explorer. Okay, then open the document first.html. For this, you can select File menu and select Open option. Then the Open dialog box will appear as here given. Here you can click on Browse button. Then the Microsoft Internet Explorer dialog box appear and select the first file, whatever name you have given as shown in the figure, and then click Open button and click on OK. It's very simple. Either you can follow this method or a very simple method, very shortcut method is there, that you can open the location of the file. Like I have saved on desktop, so you can open on desktop. You can open the desktop location. Here I am on the desktop location. You can see the file name first. This is an HTML file. It is showing the icon of Internet Explorer. The icon is showing of Internet Explorer. It means this file is an HTML file. Very simply. Okay, then from this location you can double click on the file. It is a very shortcut method. Double click on the file, it will directly open. Just by double clicking the file. Double click the file, it will directly open in Internet Explorer. So double click the file. Okay, now you can see your file is directly opened in HTML. Okay, it is directly opened in HTML. Or another method is given. You can follow that method, what is given in the step-by-step process. You can open any browser like Internet Explorer. Okay. Then in Internet Explorer, you can click on File menu. On File menu, you can select Open option. Now, after selecting Open option, you can click on Browse button. Then after that, you can select the location where you have saved your file. So you can click on Desktop. Okay, desktop is already selected. Now you can find your file, search your file, which is the file. Our file was first, okay, first.html. So this is our file. Then click on Open. Select the file and click on Open. Now as soon as you click on Open button, now click on OK. Okay, as soon as you click OK, your file will be opened. Now you can see your file. This is the sentence which we have written. The sentence, I am here to have a meeting online. This sentence I have written in Notepad, as you can see here. Can you see? The sentence which I had written, I am here to have a meeting online. And the title I had given, my first HTML document. So you can see in the web page also, Internet Explorer. Here on title bar, there is written my first HTML document, which was given by title tag, head and title tag. And I am here to have online meeting. This is given as the text which is inside the body. Okay. So this is the way how we create HTML document, save HTML document and display it in the browser, either in Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome or any other browser. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
This
sir.
is the simple
Yes.
way. Or you can
No,
follow.
sir.
Just now I told us second method you can follow. That is the shortcut method. You can directly double click on the file name. Okay, if you click directly on the file name, then it will be opened in Internet Explorer in your default browser. Okay. Now further we have the topic basic HTML tags. Basic HTML tags. Now let me open another presentation and show me you the basic HTML tags topic. Okay. Can you see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you all
Yes,
see the
sir.
screen?
Yes, sir.
What is written there?
Basic HTML tags.
Yeah. So let me display the slideshow. Now you can see the slideshow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we are going to talk about basic HTML tags. So like you can say the tags here given HTML, head tag, body tag. So the basic tags, which are the building block, you can say the building blocks or the main tags of HTML. Okay. Yeah, recording is going on now. So the first basic tag, HTML tag. Let me explain HTML tag. It represents the root of an HTML document. Means it is the root of HTML document. It is the basic building block, or you can say the main tag of HTML document. If you do not use HTML tag, which means the browsers will not accept your document as an HTML document. That's why the HTML tag is compulsory. HTML tag is very compulsory to write in the HTML document. That's what here given, that it represents the root of an HTML document. So it acts as a container for all other elements. All other HTML elements are followed by HTML tag. Another work of HTML tag, it informs the browser that it is dealing with an HTML document. Means you can say the browser interprets the HTML document only with the help of HTML tag. It is very important to place both of these tags, that is opening and closing tags of HTML in your document, as they tell the browser where your page begins and ends. Your opening HTML tag and your closing HTML tag, both these tags tells the browser that here the document starts and here the document ends. Like here, opening tag is written HTML, then after that something you write between HTML, then we close the HTML tags.
Okay, sir.
Now here given what are the attributes of HTML tags. Like we have the attributes of body tag, font tag. In the same way, we have the attributes of this tag also, HTML tag. So dir attribute, first attribute. It tells the browser the direction in which the displayed text is to be read. Means your displayed text will appear for reading in the left side, in the middle, or in the right side. Means how you want to read your document, how you want to display, left to right or right to left. By default, the value of dir attribute is left to right, that is LTR. LTR stands for left to right, and RTL stands for right to left. Okay, now let us use this attribute, dir attribute, in our document. Here is our document. You can see in this I want the dir attribute. So I will write dir equal to LTR. LTR. Okay. By default is LTR only. So let us save and execute. Now you can see your text in the left side. Okay, from left to right you are reading. But look here. If I write here RTL, RTL stands for
Right to left.
right to left. Now your text will appear in the right side. Save it and execute your program. Now here you can see your text has gone in the right side. That means now the reading should be done from the right side. I am here to have a meeting online. Okay. So DIR stands for direction. This is the use of DIR. Have you understood? Have you all
For
understood?
middle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir.
For middle.
Sir.
Any question?
Sir, if we save an HTML document and if we have any, and
Kindly
if we
speak
have to
loudly.
make an,
Swapnil.
sir, if we save any HTML document and we have to make any changes in it, then we have to save it again and again.
Yes. Any change you have made, that you have to save. Then only your browser will interpret that change. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Otherwise, if you do not save, then
Thank you,
browser
sir.
will not interpret the changes made. Is that clear?
Sir, means the file, another file would get created, or that same file will would get overwritten.
No other file is created. That file only is there. In that, the text gets
Oh,
updated.
it will get overwritten.
Updation takes place. That is
It will get
overwritten.
overwritten.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we have another basic HTML tag. Sorry, another attribute of HTML, that is lang. Lang stands for language. Okay. So by default, English language we use. But if we want to change the language, like nowadays HTML is available in many different languages, like in Hindi, in France, French language, German language, Spanish language. So for that we write different code. Like for English we write EN or ENG somewhere. For
Sir,
French,
show an example.
already.
Sir, show an example.
If I will show the example, maybe we can understand or not understand. That is not possible. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
1 minute, please. Suppose if I write Hindi, then we have to write all the codes in Hindi. Let me show you the example.
Sir, means
Maybe
what?
it may interpret or not, that I can show you. Showing the example is
Sir,
not-
fully the whole code we have to write in Hindi only.
Yeah, let me check that. Okay, that's what I'm telling.
Okay, sir.
Checking or
Okay, sir.
showing the example is not very tough. But what will happen after that, that we have to see. So let us write the language Hindi. For Hindi we write HI. Okay. Let us write the code here. Yeah, here we can write the language attribute lang equal to, what do you want to write as the language? So suppose we want to
Hindi.
have
Hindi.
FR. Okay. Now let us
Sir, sir, FR means French.
yeah, French language. Now let us execute this. So as you can see,
Sir,
nothing
it
happened.
might be work.
Yeah,
It might be work when there will be any French language written on that code.
yeah, that's what I'm telling now. That if we are writing French language there, that means the entire code should be written in French language.
Yes, sir. That only.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
yeah, then here we have the different codes of different languages. Like for English we write EN, for Hindi we write HI, for French we write FR, for Spanish we write ES, German DE, Arabic AR, Italian IT, Russian RU, Dutch NL, Chinese ZH, Greek EL, and Japanese JA. Okay, these are the different country codes or you can, sorry, language code, which you can use in your HTML. Then we have head tag and the other tags like title, inside head, then body tag. Okay, these tags already I have told. Any problem?
No, sir.
So that's
No,
all for
sir.
today. Any question, any query you can ask just now.
One question.
Yeah.
Sir, one question. Sir, there is only two attribute of HTML tag, lang and
Yeah, lang attribute and dir attribute, they are the only attributes only of HTML tag. Okay, they are used with HTML tag only, not with other tags. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
Okay, sir.
means in the whole HTML there are only two attributes.
Ask one by one and speak loudly.
The whole HTML document there are only two attributes, language and direction.
In a whole HTML document, there are different attributes, different tags, my dear. Okay. I have
Okay,
taught
sir.
already this
For
chapter.
HTML.
Okay, sir.
Getting revised. I'm just giving you the revision. Had you not
It
seen
is only for
you have
HTML.
not seen the video when I had sent the video. Okay, no problem. That's what I'm
No,
going to tell
sir.
here again. So there are many different attributes,
Yes, sir.
attributes and tags in HTML. Not only dir and language. These are two examples. Okay, dir and language. These are two examples of HTML tag. Except that we have the attributes of body tag. We have the attributes of font tag, base font tag. Okay, we have the attributes of anchor tag.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Any other question by
Sir, how,
anyone?
Clear.
sir, how can we put the direction of a document in middle?
Direction of?
Here.
Direction of document
center
in
tag.
middle.
Speak clearly. Direction of?
Tag.
Direction of body tag in middle. How can we put?
Yeah. There is marquee tag. Okay. If you
Sir,
want,
by center tag.
listen to me, please. For body tag, there is no special direction. But there is a marquee tag. I am telling. Marquee tag is there by which you can display some moving text. Okay. Marquee
Yes,
tag
sir.
with the help of which you can display some moving text on the screen, either left to right or right to left. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you everyone. Bye. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. Let me take the attendance. I forget that.
Attendance, sir.
Yeah, don't leave. Don't leave the session. Let me take the attendance. Okay, there are total 72 participants.
No, sir, 71.
71, sir.
71 participants.
Yeah, I can see. Is there anyone who can take the participants list?
Sir, I will take.
Okay, wait, I am taking. You also take, I am taking, okay?
Screenshot, na?
Okay, that's all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,